Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share the third video in my spring decorating series, and this time we're refreshing the living room for the new season. If you missed the first two videos in the series, I'll link them below so you can check them out. We've already tackled some beautiful spring transformations, and today's refresh is all about bringing those same fresh, cozy, and timeless elements into the living room. I love how a simple decor switch up can completely transform a space and make it feel brand new for the season. So let's jump right into styling and see how everything comes together. If you've been following along, you know I love starting with a clean slate. I've taken down all the previous decor so I can style everything from scratch, bringing in soft textures, natural elements, and light and airy colors to create a fresh and inviting space for spring. I'm starting with the fireplace as the focal point of the room. One of my favorite pieces, a beautiful lantern from HomeSense that I've had for a while, is making its way back into this space. To style it, I'm adding a vase that I recently gave a makeover to match one of my favorite crate and barrel designs. If you missed that DIY, I share the full transformation over on my DIY channel. Inside the vase, I'm adding delicate pink florals from Dollarama, which brings such a soft and elegant touch. I am adding a total of 3 stems. To the opposite side, I'm incorporating one of my thrifted DIY vases filled with lush, greeny, leafy stems I found on Temu. And to add warmth and dimension, I'm bringing in my repurposed candlesticks. These used to be a mercury silver color, but I refinished them to have a more rustic wood-like appearance. Finally, I wanted to complete the space with one more vintage touch, so I added a thrifted candlestick holder along with a simple candle. Now the fireplace feels refreshed, cozy, and perfect for spring. Next, I'm moving on to the coffee table. To create a layered and collected look, I'm starting with the beautiful tray that I thrifted. On it, I'm styling a textured stone look pot from Dollarama, which I've had for a few years now, and inside I'm placing a small pot of greenery for a fresh pop of life. In the center of the table, I'm stacking a few thrifted coffee table books. Whenever I'm whenever I am out thrifting, I love looking for books with linen covers in neutral tones that complement my decor. To enhance the arrangement, I'm adding my new soy candle from HomeSense, which not only looks beautiful but also smells amazing. Another favorite HomeSense find I'm including is a decorative magnifying glass. A quick tip, if you have a magnifying glass or a mirror in your decor, always be mindful of where the sunlight hits it. I actually had an incident while cleaning my daughter's room where the sun hit a magnifying mirror at just the right angle and it burned a hole in the window trim. Luckily, I caught it in time, but it was definitely a lesson learned. Finally, to complete the coffee table, I'm bringing in another one of my DIY vases and filling it with thrifted daisies I found for just $2 back in January. The combination of soft florals, neutral tones, and vintage inspired pieces creates such a timeless and fresh spring feel. Now moving on to the side table, I'm styling with few of my favorite pieces. First, I'm bringing in two black candlesticks from HomeSense and topping them with simple tapered candles. Next, I'm adding a handsome Next, I'm adding a handmade paper mache bowl from my DIY channel, which adds an organic sculptural touch to the space. To tie everything together, I'm incorporating another DIY vase filled with lush leafy stems from Timo. One of the most special additions to this space is a framed family photo. This picture of my father-in-law with my kids was taken just one day before he passed away, making it incredible meaningful to have it displayed here. Finally, to add comfort and color, I'm styling the chairs on either side of the table with beautiful olive green velvet pillowcases from Timo, which adds such a cozy yet elegant touch. For the final area, the couch, I'm keeping it simple yet inviting. I'm layering a texture blanket that I've had and loved for years, which adds warmth and mix of pattern and textures. For pillows, I'm starting with the brown one that originally came with my Ashley couch, then layering in on patterned pillowcases from Timo. To add a bit of variety, I'm also including a lumbar pillow, also from Timo. These are all pillowcases. If you order pillow covers from Temu, just keep in mind that they come in different sizes, so be sure to check the dimensions before purchasing to get the look you want. After placing everything, I felt like something was missing, so I added a set of beautiful fringe pillowcases with beautiful fringe details from Temu, which really completed the look. Now, looking around the room, I'm so happy with how everything has come together. The mix of greenery, soft florals, and fresh textures has completely transformed the space and brought the perfect breath of fresh air for spring. I'd love to hear what you think of this refresh. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite piece or if you are decorating for spring too. Don't forget to check out the other videos in my spring decorating series. If you haven't already, there's so much inspiration waiting for you. I will have them all linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye.